Alright, this quick how-to is how to do voiceover, where you speed up a video clip, the longer video clip, and then do a new audio recording on it to explain what's going. This is for your second project of your how-to video. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to find a video that I want. This is just an example of from one of my random robotics challenges. So I'm just going to drag this down. Now you'll notice that there is a sound here. Okay, you can that from the video. Now the first thing I want to do normally is if it's something I'm going to speed up, I'm going to turn off the sound. To do that, I'm going to simply grab this and drag it down to 0. Or if you prefer, you can do your click on the speaker and then click here and lower it down to 0. Or if you don't like any of those choices, you can simply click audio off by clicking the speaker and it mutes the audio for this video file. Any of those three options work. So now I have this 2-minute long video file of these robots. In this case, it's fighting with a balloon pop challenge. And so it's 2 minutes long. Well, let's say I want to show somebody really quick, a quick example, and I don't want them to watch for 2 minutes. You can actually speed this up. By doing so, I'm going to make sure the video is clicked and highlighted with the yellow selection here. I'm going to go up to the, it looks like a speedometer on a car or a power gauge or whatever. That's our speed setting. So I'm going to click on that. And then where it says speed is normal, we can do it in slow, fast, freeze, or custom. Now if we do it slow, that would be a slow motion. So if something's happening quickly and you want to do the slow motion, that will work. Just remember these are iPads recording, so it's a pretty good video quality, but it's not a like slow motion camera quality, okay? But for this example, we want to speed it up, so we're going to click on fast. And then you can see the video clip actually shrank in size because it went down to 1 minute. Because right now it's set at 4 times, it's at 2 times the speed is what it defaults to, even if it's kind of click somewhere else. So that means if it was a 2-minute video clip, it's now 1 minute. If I do 4 times the speed, it goes down to a 30-second video. Remember, what was 2 minutes is now done in 30 seconds. And there's 8 speed and 20 speed. For yours, you're probably going to either do 2 or 4. So let me just do 2. And now if I play it, you can see that it's going a little faster, but it might be a little hard to tell. So to kind of get the point across, I'm actually going to click on this and go to my speed. I'm going to make it 4. So now if we click and we play, you can see how everyone's kind of moving in fast forward motion, but it gets a little choppy if you start really increasing the speed a lot. So I'm going to leave it at 2. And you can just trust me that that is faster than the robots would normally be moving. And that's how you speed up the video clip. But remember, I said that there was a voiceover option that we wanted to do. So I'm going to attempt to do this while I'm recording. I don't know if it's going to let me. But you're going to go to the beginning of your video file. So you're going to click at the beginning of your video file. And then if you notice there's a little microphone here, you're going to click on that. It's underneath the preview video. And then there are some options here of what to do. And this is where you'd borrow a USB microphone from Mr. Granahan, from me. I have a couple different USB microphones. And then we're going to actually start the recording. So we're going to click to start to record. And again, not sure if it's going to let me do this with me already doing a recording. I don't think it's going to because I'm doing screen recording. But I could click record, and then it would actually record my voice, and you actually see it progress here as it goes through the iMovie, and you would be able to re-record your voice only, audio only, with the video clip. And now it would do a separate audio file, but they would just play together, and then that's how you would basically narrate or explain something in fast forward. If you had left the sound on with the video file, it would sound like Alvin and the Chipmunks. It'd be like all high-pitched very fast, so that's why we always wanted to mute that, and then you re-record your own separate audio. So that's how you do speed up the video clip and then to do the voiceover. When you're done with your voiceover, you just simply hit the stop, and then it will your audio will have been recorded below. If you need help with this, make sure you just ask for help, and I'll be happy to help you out.